Alright, today we're gonna do the DK2 power wood chipper, OPC533. Got this from Lowe's, bought it about 2 months ago, finally arrived, took about 2 months to ship here. The box looks like it's seen better days in shipping, so hopefully nothing's damaged, and we'll open it up and make sure we got all the parts that aren't broken and go from there.
See what we got. Alright, let's get this beast open.
Alright, let's start opening up.
I mean, so far it looks okay.
Yeah.
Oh, came with oil, nice.
Yeah, it works. Didn't leak, right?
No. Here's what we got. Let's keep taking it out. Alright, so we've got all the parts out. And I guess the fun of putting it together begins?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad.
Question mark? Alright, we've got everything out of the box, and we're going to put it together. So where are we going to start?
So it comes with the assembly guide, OPC533 assembly guide. Comes with an Allen wrench, and a couple tools. We'll see if we need anything else. A 15mm wrench and an 8mm wrench. Oh, it's 8, 10, 13, and 15. So 4 sizes and an assembly guide. So here we go. So step 1, unpacking, already done. Step 2, tires and axle. So I guess we need the tires and axle.
Here's the axle. Careful, it might have some grease on it. Tire and a tire.
Here, let's put that over here so we don't get grease on that.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to start with the axle assembly. Make sure your air filler is on the outside of both.
Yep.
And we got some pins. A pin here. Both come out. Alright, we got to deburr a little bit. Okay, after a quick deburring of the holes, we'll slide the wheels on, make sure the air piece on the outside. Is it going in more?
Yeah, we're through.
Okay, and then put your locking pin in. Alright, wheel assembly complete. Step 2, front stand. Oh, then it wants us to bolt the axle to the frame. Okay.
Alright. Perfect.
So we're probably going to have to tilt this.
Okay.
Can you get that on there? Okay, now we just got to line the holes up. So these are the holes you got to line up. The axle just goes into the groove.
Okay, now we're going to line these holes up.
Yeah. Oh, not all the way through yet.
It's not?
Nope. Ah, that probably goes like that. This, I guess, this just goes on this side.
Yeah.
And you just tighten them up.
So we need our Allen wrench. Yep, so it's a 13. We're going to use the Allen wrench and the 13mm open-ended wrench. Nope, nope, down, down, down. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we've got a stand on it now.
Yeah, so apparently, maybe these go in, maybe this goes in like this. Yeah, let's give that a try.
Okay. Very rarely does anything go right the first time.
Oh, the directions aren't very clear.
The directions are literal photographs
Yeah.
that say do this.
Okay.
And then they show you a photograph of it already done. For those of you who saw our Thrifty and Nifty video, I mentioned getting a t-shirt from the Hedges. This is it. I like it. It's comfy.
Okay. Wheels and stand on.
Okay, wheels and stand. Next is feed chute handle.
Okay. Alright. So let's get
So the handle looks like it bolts on the outside like this.
Okay, which way? There's two
It
different
goes
angles.
this way.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get it, dude.
Okay.
Just hold the handle.
These look like they are also 13s.
Yeah, just jiggle, jiggle.
This thing is pretty big.
Yeah. Alright, that's the assembly of the handle on the chute. Step 4. Step 5. Attaching this to that. Alright, let's at least get these bolts off, and this goes right on top.
Okay. Do they will have to put it on the ground for this?
Probably. Okay, so let's get the chute on to the machine. I'll get them all 4 in there real quick, and then we'll tighten it down after.
Okay.
Nice and tight. Alright. Alright, let's see what the next step is. Install the feed chute to the machine. Bolt the side feed chute to the machine. Okay, so we're bolting the side.
Alright, so now we're going to attach the feed chute. Okay.
Jeez, how's that going to go? Look at that. Oh, cow. That just barely makes it. Okay, this is where you fill the oil. Right here you need 0.6 quarts. So we're going to fill this up before we put the chute on, because it's a little easier location. And it comes with oil right with it. 10W30. Okay, so it's right in the thread. It's perfect. So we got 0.6 quarts of oil in there. Now we're going to finish putting the chute on. And it looks like you got to put this lower bolt in first and swing it up. So it's really, really tight tolerances. You got it?
Yep.
Now I'll put the remaining 3 bolts in. Okay, and we got one more set.
The hardest for last.
That's right. But we're filled with oil, so we should be in pretty good shape. Alright. What's the next step?
Next step is the chip chute. The chip chute, which is this, and it's going to go on the side, so we'll have to turn this.
Okay, I can turn it. Let's put the chip chute on. Get that on there. We'll get them all started real quick.
Greasy side.
Yeah. What's next?
Next is, so we just did that. Next is the tow bar if we want it.
Okay, let's
Last
put it on
is
there.
the chip bag.
Let's put it on there.
Oh, chip bag sounds good.
It's easier in case you need to grab it.
And wait.
Huh.
Okay, so we're installing the tow bar.
Easy as that.
So I'm not sure how this installs. Oh, you just put it over
Yep.
this and cinch it.
Guess what?
Okay, so
Is that the last step?
that's the last step.